Hill Vending here. We're outside of Sam's Club right now. We just grabbed a few supplies. What we're gonna do in this video is go to 2 of our medical facilities and we're gonna get a collection. What's it been, 1 week, guys?
About a week, yeah.
About a week. So we're gonna pull the cash out, see how big the stack is. We're gonna get some footage of filling up the machines. Then we'll take the bags back to the warehouse. We'll count them up. We'll get the credit card sales and we'll see how much money we got this week. All right, we made it to the first location. Let's go inside and see how we did. All right, so back in the box truck now, loading up the snacks. What do you think?
We're thrilling and filling. It's another great day at Hill Vending.
Yep, Thursday, so it's a Thursday here. A little bit cool out, so
yeah, fall's here.
Fall's here. We're gonna get the snacks loaded up, drinks loaded up, fill these machines up. Stay tuned.
All right, we got our bag. We're all filled up. Let's head to the next stop.
All right, we're at the next account here. Let's see how we did. All right, so back at the office, went to those 2 locations, have the bags here. We have to run the coins and the bills through the machine and we'll come up with a cash total and then I'll run the report on the computer for the last 7 days and see what the credit card sales were. Let's get it. Right, 258 in bills, 131 in coins, for a total, for the first account, total 389 in cash, and we'll get the credit here in a second. All right, so I just ran the report behind me for the last 7 days from that first location. Here are the totals. In cash, 389. The credit card, debit card total for the last 7 days, 305. So a grand total of $694 from those 4 machines on 7 days. Let's get to location number 2. Oops. Money everywhere. All right, let's get a total here. All right, so location number 2, grand total bills, $346. Coins, 168. And check the report over here. Credit card, $154 from the 7 days of credit debit sales for a total of $668. So there you have it. 2 locations, 1 week total, over $1,300 in total sales. Let me know in the comments, did you like the video, the collection video from Hill Vending? Thanks to the guys for making a great video. More to come on the Hill Vending channel. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you get notified of future videos. If you want to start making money with vending machines, hillvending.com/ebook is our little $10 download to get you started. Or if you need the full course, hillvending.teachable.com will help you out there. Hope you liked the video, and remember, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.